Most people get email marketing wrong by choosing a platform that looks simple but lacks automation power, but Emma could be different. Here's my full experience using Emma for email marketing. Emma is designed for businesses looking to create visually appealing emails with robust automation. The drag-and-drop editor is intuitive, letting you design professional emails without coding. The surprising truth? Even small businesses can achieve enterprise-level email campaigns using Emma's templates and tools. Automation is Emma's strong suit. You can set up welcome series, abandoned cart emails, and behavioral triggers. I tested a welcome sequence, and the engagement rate was higher than I expected. Most people get this wrong by underutilizing automation. Emma makes it easy to send the right email at the right time. Analytics are clear and actionable. You get open rates, click-throughs, subscriber growth, and more. You can /B test emails directly in the platform. This makes optimization simple without needing a separate tool. Pricing is tiered by list size. Small businesses pay reasonable rates, but costs rise with larger lists. Still, considering the automation, analytics, and support, it's competitive. In conclusion, Emma is an excellent choice for businesses that want strong email marketing with easy automation and solid analytics. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just a basic email builder, but Emma is much more powerful than it looks. Subscribe for honest marketing tool reviews so you can maximize your email results without wasted effort.